Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 4th of July. And first of all, national news. Army Chief reviewed operational preparedness along LOC in Jammu. Assam flood situation remained critical, over 11.5 lakh people affected. Agencies given free hand to take strict action against corrupt PM Modi. NTA working on CUET UG results date to be announced soon. UGC Chairman Jagdish Kumar. Union Health Ministry issued advisory to states in view of Zika virus cases from Maharashtra. ISRO's Aditya L1 completed first hello orbit around Sun Earth L1 point in 178 days. Now international news. Ukraine Russian armed group claim arson attack on Moscow warship in Baltic. China supported Kazakhstan joining BRICS ICE energy reserves. Nepali Congress urged PM Prachand to quit and pave way for new government. President Joe Biden will sit for an interview Friday with ABC News. Russia's Putin and China's Xi Jinping to meet at Security Summit in Kazakhstan. Now some sports news. Sumit Nagal rues Wimbledon first round loss, said he lost momentum. Pragnananda held to draw by lowest ranked opponent. Neeraj Chopra in best condition to win another medal at Paris Olympics. Spencer McKay. Vinesh Fogart seek urgent help from authorities to get Spain visa. Now news related to business. India to roll out rupees 10,000 crore plan to procure AI GPUs in 2 to 3 months. Critical mineral recycling, government planned PLI scheme to boost circular economy. JSW Infra armed to develop cargo berth at VO Chidambarnar port in TN. Inflation is down in Europe, but ECB in no hurry to make more rate cuts. Sensex hit historic 80,000 mark. Nifty ended at record high as banking share advance. And that's all in news. Thank you.